Hello guys, we are discussing chapter 13 electromagnetism and I am Vaishali Kika. So let's start our discussion with the magnetic field of the coil, or which is also known as solenoid. So for that we should understand first what is an electromagnet. This term consists of electro and magnet. We all know what is a permanent magnet which exerts the magnetic field throughout the time. So magnetic field cannot be removed from the permanent magnet. But if I talk about the electromagnet, it is the object that exerts a magnetic force using the electricity. So till the time I am sending the electricity to the electromagnet, it will be having the magnetic force, and when I remove the electricity, it will be not be having magnetic force. So I hope you understood what is an electromagnet. So now coming to the solenoid. Solenoid is a type of electromagnet. So it is a coil of wire that acts like a magnet when an electric current passes through it. Only when I am sending the current through the coil, and that time it will be behaving like an magnet, right? So it's an electromagnet. Now coming to the uniform magnetic field. So magnetic field that has same strength and act in same direction at all of the points. So this magnetic field will be having exactly the same strength and same direction at all of the points. If I talk about the magnetic field inside this solenoid, so at any point inside the solenoid we will be having uniform magnetic field, same strength, same direction, right? Now coming to the right hand thumb rule for the coil. So if this is my coil, right, so in the current is passing through this direction, so current is passing like this, right? So now what I have to do, I have to take my right hand and I have to find out the direction of the magnetic field. If I take my right hand, if I fold the fingers in the direction of the current, so current is moving like this, so current is moving like this, I will be folding my fingers in the direction of the current. Now thumb represents the direction of the magnetic field. So here the current is moving like this, so thumb represents the direction of magnetic field which is outward, right? So this is a bar magnet and these are the field lines of the bar magnet, right? So now the solenoid is resembling the bar magnet, right? So the field lines for the solenoid is nearly same as the bar magnet. So now coming to the problem for the day, it states calculate the effect on the strength of the magnetic field in a coil when each of the following separate changes are made. First, the current in the coil is increased from 2 ampere to 5 ampere. The number of loops in the coil is changed from 4400 to 1100. The length is remained unchanged. The core is changed from steel with a relative magnetic permeability of 8 into 10 raised to power 3. So the magnetic field strength, we all know it varies directly with the current. If I increase the current, magnetic field is going to increase. So magnetic field after change upon magnetic field before change is 5 ampere upon 2 ampere, which is the current after and the current before. So current after was 5 ampere, current before was 2 ampere. So we divide it and the change in the magnetic field is 2.5 times. Right, so now coming to the second part, the magnetic field strength varies directly with the number of loops per unit length. So if I know what is the number of loops per unit length, the magnetic field strength will vary directly with the number of loops per unit length. So magnetic field after change upon magnetic field before change is equal to number of turns, it is 1100 upon 4400, which is 0.25. Now coming to the last part, magnetic field varies directly with the permeability of the core. So magnetic field after change upon magnetic field before change is 8 into 10 raised to power 3, right, which is given as the permeability of the steel upon the permeability of the initial material, which is 3 into 10 raised to power 3, which was iron. So now it is equal to 2.7. So this is how we can calculate the change in the magnetic field. So I hope you understood this. Thank you so much.